How to watch Netflix with VPN. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can watch Netflix with VPN. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now it is very simple to watch Netflix with a VPN, just like how you watch for other devices, right? All you need to have is a VPN application, a good VPN app that works for Netflix. Now some of the free VPN apps might not work, like ProtonVPN, ExpressVPN, NordVPN. They are the ones that are at the popular, the Surfshark VPN. If you have premium of those VPN accounts, then that's even better. You can just connect to it. In my case, I have got premium for vpnify, so I can first open the vpnify app and I can connect to any of the servers that I want to, and I can just tap on the connect option. After that, I have to reload the Netflix application so that the changes might take place, and then you can watch Netflix with the VPN in that way. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.